What's up guys, at first take my salam, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. I'm also well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Vishal Technology. So today I'm talking about motorcycle insurance. So let's start the video. Find the right insurance coverage for your bike. Okay, choosing the best right insurance policy is much like choosing the right motorcycle. You want it to fit your needs and lifestyle and to be within your budget. Here's a guide to insurance coverage for your bike and some tips to make your insurance ride more easy on your wallet. Okay, then choosing the right insurance policy is much like choosing the right motorcycle. You want it to fit your needs and lifestyle and to be within your budget. Here's a guide to insurance coverage for your bike and some tips to make your insurance ride more easy on your wallet. Okay, then in order to find out what coverage is best for you, it is important to understand all the options available. Then motorcycle coverage basics. Although most states require you to carry a minimum amount of liability coverage, other types of coverage are usually optional. Ask your insurance personnel which laws apply in your state and understand all the coverage options available to best fit your needs. Okay, then number one, liability insurance covers bodily injury and property damage that you may cause to other people involved in an accident. It doesn't cover injury to you or damage to your motorcycle guest passenger liability, which provides protection in the event that a passenger is injured on your motorcycle. May also be available to you depending on state laws and the company issuing your policy. Okay, then number two, motorcycle collision insurance covers damage to your motorcycle if you are involved in a collision with another vehicle. Your insurance company pays for damage. Usually the book value of your bike before the loss occurred minus other deductible. Okay, then number three, comprehensive coverage pays for damage caused by an event other than a collision such as fire, theft, or vandalism. Like collision coverage, your insurance company will pay for damage minus your deductible and will cover only the book value on the motorcycle. Okay, then number four, coverage for customized motorcycle parts. Many comprehensive and collision policies will only cover the factory standard parts on your motorcycle, or they will limit the coverage if you decide to add on any optional accessories such as chrome parts, a custom paint job, trailers, or sidecars. Check with your insurer to understand the limits of coverage. Okay, then uninsured understand underinsured motorist, UIM coverage. Okay, pays for damage to you and or your property caused by another driver who either doesn't have insurance, uninsured, or doesn't have adequate insurance, and underinsured. UMI policies typically pay for medical treatment, lost bags, and in some cases property damage. Okay, then functions that affect your motorcycle insurance costs. Number one, your age, your driving record, and where you live. Number two, type of style of bike you ride. For example, sport bike, crash car, or custom motorcycle. The number three, age of the motorcycle. Number four, number of mileage you ride a year. Number five, where you store your bike. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you need more information, we can join this website and other website. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment, share, support me. Goodbye, tata, assalamu alaikum.